Hey you guys, it's Ayana here if you're new, but if this is your second or third time here, welcome back, girlfriend.
Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back.
So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my eyebrow routine, what affordable products that I use. I think it's important if you are beginning, it's important that you buy affordable products because you're going to mess up, okay? That's a part of learning anything, messing up, making mistakes, and starting all over. So keep that in mind when you're learning how to do your eyebrows. So that's my first tip. My second tip is just do it. So many times people are like, oh, can you show me how to do my eyebrows? And then they don't sit down and they don't practice. No, sis, you have to sit down. You have to figure it out. You have to figure out what works well for you. Don't be scared. Be confident in whatever it is that you're doing and you will figure it out, okay? So we're going to get right into the video. With that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope this makes things a little bit easier for you. Okay, so I was thinking about just letting the video play, but I just wanted to come in and explain what I'm doing. So in this part, I'm kind of just creating an outline for my eyebrows. So I overdraw the top of my eyebrows just a little bit so that I get the shape that I want. But when it comes to the bottom line, because I make two lines, one on the top and then one on the bottom also. So the lines for the bottom, I kind of, if you will, would say I just connect the dots. Remember the game Connect the Dots? That's kind of what I do with my eyebrow hairs. So I just connect the dots with the pencil and then I fill in the middle. You know, I don't really fill in too much because my eyebrows are already dark. But I just to get a more seamless look, I just fill in just a little bit and then I move on. So I'm looking at my eyebrows and this one doesn't have enough arch in it. It doesn't really match this one too much. So I'm gonna go in and try to make the arch a little bit higher. So right here, I'm just getting rid of that line of demarcation. In order to do that, I basically just brush the beginning of my eyebrow going in the opposite direction. And it kind of gives you that natural faded look. And then I brush it back so that it kind of blends in. Okay, so here I'm just going in with some concealer underneath my eyebrow. I use a very little bit of concealer, as you can see, because I don't like really loud eyebrows, so I don't really like the halo look. But right here I'm just showing you how to hold the brush. You want to use a light hand. You don't want to use a heavy hand when applying the concealer because you can apply too much. Like, you can waste products and you don't need to do that. So I just apply a very little amount to my underbrow, but for the upper part I don't use concealer. You'll see that I'm going to go in with foundation, and I do that because I don't like hard eyebrows. So the foundation, it just makes things a little bit easier to blend. Like, you don't have to worry about, you know, it just being too dramatic. So that's what I do. So that was my eyebrow routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the products used will be listed in the description box below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Later.